What's up everyone, Justin here for another video. And today's video we're going to be installing something that I probably should have did when I first got the car. We're going to be hopefully fixing my speedometer. Since I've got the car, my speedometer has never worked. The guy told me it's probably the speed sensor, which it probably is, but you know, anyone just tell you anything to get rid of the car. Yeah, we're going to be changing the speed sensor. I got one earlier from the junkyard. It's pretty easy, pretty simple. I just got to take the intake pipe off and then it's right in the transmission. Pretty easy, pretty simple stuff to do. It's just two 10mm bolts. So let's head outside and go to the Integra.
That is my dream. I got a dream. It's what you make it. Always try to give. Don't ever take it.
Guys, it is so fucking hot. I'm gonna move the car in the shade. It is hot as hell. And of course, as soon as I come out here about to film my video, they're cutting the grass. Park right in that shade spot right there. Boy, if you don't get boy, if you don't. Of course, as soon as I'm doing this, that guy over there with his Z6 swapped Civic is cutting the grass. This right here is the speed sensor. That's another part that goes like actually down into the transmission that I did not get from the junkyard. I just got the top half piece because that should be all I need. This should be the only piece that I need. So let's get to changing it. There we go. This guys over there cut the grass. I apologize about that. But if you look all the way down there, that little thing right there. Come on, focus camera. That little black thing right there with the two bolts on it is what we're changing. So it's just two 10mm bolts, not that hard to get to. Should be pretty easy. I know it is easy because I've done it on my car before. Well, not this car, but my other Integra a while back. So yeah, let me take this off. My tools are literally like extremely hot because they were sitting in the sunspot. Like, it's crazy. It's hot as hell out here, guys. Need some gloves. So while I wait for this ratchet and socket to cool off, I don't know. It's hot as hell. I left my toolbox facing up and the sun was shining on it when I was parked over there next to the bitch who can't park, and it was in the sun and like everything in here is like extremely hot. Well, it should be good enough. Nope, still hot. So anyways, while I wait for that to cool down, I know I haven't done much to this car at all, like besides lowering it. That's honestly all I've done. I got a fender and a door, but both of them are pretty beat up to be honest. Haven't done anything to it so far. Got some stickers, but I haven't done anything else to it. So you guys are probably wondering, well, what are you gonna do to the car? And the answer is, I don't know. Honestly, I'm not really focused on modifications. Not really yet so far. The things I do want to fix is my AC. I desperately want to fix that. I need a motor mount because, as you can see, well, you probably can't see, I should not be able to move this motor that much. I want to find this shit, which, damn it, I should have looked for that at the junkyard. I want to fix my sunroof. I eventually want to get it painted. I need a new radio bezel because my radio keeps popping out. I need to fix that because I'm tired of looking at the tape. Right now I'm doing my speedometer. Still have yet to fix this damn window. But yeah, still have yet to fix this window. I believe that one of the wires in the harness is like broken completely, because when I went to the junkyard to get that speed sensor, I got another one of these main window switches and swapped it in, and it still didn't work. So it has to be something in there is ripped. So yeah, but this ratchet is cool enough, so let me take this out and swap this. So before I start, apparently one of my axle boots busted open. I don't know if you can see all that grease down there. This battery terminal was down there, and now my hand is covered in axle grease. Great. And this battery terminal actually looks new, so I might clean it off and keep it. You never know when you're gonna need it. One bolt, second bolt, and it's out. Boom, just like that. Good one, and I'll just change this pin, because why the hell not? I mean, I'm not gonna be mad if it doesn't work, because it already doesn't work. I mean, I'm gonna be mad because I did this for nothing. And then I'll have to figure out why the hell it doesn't work. But it didn't work before I started this anyway, so yeah, you know what I mean. Alright, let me put it back in and see if it works. Alright guys, got the new sensor back in. There's the old one right there. Hopefully it works, because I'm tired of using a speedometer app at nighttime when I drive on the highway. So hopefully this works. The magic of editing. Alright guys, so now I'm about to shut the hood, drive it around, and hopefully this should work. Not gonna get my hopes too high, but hopefully this should work. Alright, let's see. And now if this works, then that means my odometer, whatever you want to call it, should work. Alright guys, here we go. It's hot as hell, man. That's where all these napkins came from, me wiping my goddamn face. Let's see. And it still doesn't work. Well, guys, I guess I did that for nothing, because the speedometer is still in the same position it was at, and it does not work. Let's see. Yep, I forgot that was not in there securely. Now I look like a dumbass. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this short little video. If you did, please be sure to leave me a like, drop a comment, share this video, do whatever. Yeah, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace out. I don't even want to touch the camera because my hands is dirty, so peace out.
So not tell me how to feel. Let me show you something that's real, huh? 2 or 3 young niggas killed, huh? Hopped out, they took my lil one. I mean, really, let me tell you how it feels. You said it was a shooter, got shot down. Gotta keep a ooze on the block now. Keep a bad memory when the cops round. Live life, stone cold, he on the rocks now. He tried to move away. That was a cool mistake. I'm not in the mood today. I keep me a tool of hate. I know you protect.